Let's talk about one simple check that can literally save your engine. We're going to dive right in.
The answer? It's checking your engine oil. And don't worry, it's super easy to do.
Seriously, having the right amount of oil is everything for keeping your engine healthy and happy.
All right, first things first, prep is key. You've got to park your car on level ground. Next, make sure the engine's off. And, just give it a few minutes to cool.
Okay, now it's time to pop the hood. That release lever is usually inside the car.
Now you're going to look for the dipstick. It's usually got a bright, colorful handle, so it's easy to spot.
All right, this is the main event. Go ahead and pull that dipstick all the way out. Grab a clean cloth or a paper towel and just wipe the whole thing down completely. Now, push that clean dipstick right back in, all the way until it seats properly. Then pull it right back out again. This time, you're not going to wipe it. This is your reading.
So, what are we looking for? Let's get to the final step and actually read this thing. Take a look at where the oil stops on the dipstick. This is going to show your engine's oil level. What you're hoping to see is the oil line falling right between those min and max marks.
So let's just do a quick recap of the most important things to remember, okay?
And there you have it. Now you know how to find out. It's a great habit for a healthy car.